Tara, gawa tayo ng sea salt ice latte. Nag-grind na tayo. And then, ipasok mo sa espresso machine. Double shot. And then, titignan mo kung gaano ka-fresh ang beans na yan. Wow! Sobrang sarap. And then, let's try to make it a mix of condensed and vanilla with 150 ml of latte. Ngayon, tignan mo. Whip, whip, whip. Add some ice in the cup. Pyum, pyum. And then, put the milk and the condensed with the vanilla syrup. Let's try it. Pam, pam, pam. Titignan natin kung gaano kasarap ang maraming tayo nakikita nito eh. Sige, sige. Ipasok mo. Yun. And add the espresso shot. Let's go. Ipasok mo. Yung. And then the last one is our float. And titikman natin kung pasado ba sa ating barista. May naalala ka pa. Ano kaya naalala mo? Yun. Sige, the best ba? Okay, approved by barista.